What I love about Paetutu is the amount of thought and design that's gone into the development. We say it's living simplified, and that's very true. It's only been made possible through a team of experts coming together, and it's been an absolute privilege from an architectural point of view to be a part of it.
Wellington Company's been involved with the development of Wellington since 1990. I suppose what we're looking to do is to move some of that energy and some of our ability into other places, and that's where we come to Petone and Paetutu.
We wanted to make sure that the development as a whole integrated well into the community rather than being an exclusive development. It was all inclusive. So we have put a lot of focus on engagement with the community and inviting people with pedestrian pathways and access through the site to the river beyond.
We really do need to say goodbye to the quarter-acre section and the sparseness that implies, like neighbourhood living communities that thrive on connection and bumping into each other and cooperation. Those are the values that we support.
So we see Petone as a really up-and-coming area. It's got a really cool sort of industrial grittiness about it, and we want to make sure that these houses kind of show that same sort of grittiness with the materiality that we use. There's so much on offer here in Petone with cafes, restaurants, retail, the beaches, the river, so it's certainly got a lot of appeal. So the way the houses are designed as a two-storey sort of modular approach gives ownership and identity to each of the dwellings. So each person, each occupant will have ownership of their own slice of site, including a north-facing or north-west-facing courtyard.
A society where people own their own houses is a much better society and a much stronger one.
We wanted to give these houses a real sense of solidity and longevity. So although they are an affordable model, they are built with very permanent and solid materials such as concrete and low maintenance materials both in the cladding and in the courtyards. We really want to celebrate that materiality as well, both internally and externally. So some of that concrete in the floor and walls will be on display.
It really is about design, with a conscious eye on not wasting resource or money in terms of getting to a good result. So we're working very hard for the buyer so that what they get is what they need and what they want.